I was sent something really cool to do a quick review on. This is really nice. This is from Circle River. It's a 3/8 hybrid polymer air hose, 1/4-inch NPT brass fittings, lightweight, oil resistant, 300 PSI working 900 PSI burst, kink resistant under pressure, solid brass 1/4-inch MNPT fittings, excellent abrasion resistance, flexible down to -40°C, and it has a 2-year limited warranty. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped and see what it's all about. So this definitely feels good. It's got a really nice feel to it. Rubber PVC air hose, 3/8, 9.5 millimeter, 300 PSI, 20 bar. It looks really good. I mean, it just feels good. Brass connectors look really nice. It looks really good. There's not much to really show you other than the length. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up and see how it performs. Super excited about extending my compressor down to the bottom of the field. Now the biggest thing here is making sure that you get the right connectors for your system. I have mine set up a certain way. I like the female and the male. That way I can disconnect it, take all the air out and put it away if I want to, and then it all connects together. So right now I've got a couple 50-foot air hoses, and this 50-foot air hose will absolutely get me down to the bottom of the field, which it seems like I always need some air or a compressor down at that area. So now I'm able to work on the fence down there with air tools, and if I need to, well, air up a tire on one of the pieces of equipment, it allows me to get all the way to the end of the field. Now, as far as the quality of this air hose, some of the air hoses I have, well, I got to be honest with you, this air hose feels like it's a little bit better quality than the ones that I have. Now, I absolutely love it so far. I've used it quite a bit down here in the field and some of the projects that I've been working on, and it's done really good. Once it airs up, it's very strong, and then once you take the air out of it, it just allows you to put it away if you need to. But overall, in my opinion, this air hose has done really good. Like I said, it allows me to get all the way down to the end of the property, and it just helps me get some more work done versus having to air up a air tank or something like that to get down here. In this situation right here, I'm down here with my golf cart, and let's say I've got a low tire, and it's really easy to stretch the hose out and bring it down to this location, and then of course air up my tire. So overall, in my opinion, this air hose has done really good, and I definitely recommend it. All the specs and details are right there on the page. I hope this helps, and we will talk to you in the next one.